Have you ever been hacked? Well, I have. Many times. So, today I'm going to talk about cybersecurity and how to stay safe on the internet. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting networks, systems, devices, and data from unauthorized access or malicious attacks. Cybersecurity is becoming more important as cyber threats increase in frequency, sophistication, and impact. According to a report by Cybersecurity Ventures, cybercrime will cost the world $10.5 trillion annually by 2025. That's more than the combined GDP of Japan, Germany, and the UK. Cyber attacks can affect anyone, from individuals to businesses to governments. They can cause financial losses, identity theft, data breaches, privacy violations, reputational damage, and even physical harm. Let's get right into it. So how can you protect yourself from cyber attacks? Here are some tips. Use strong passwords and change them regularly. A strong password should be at least 12 characters long, include uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols, and avoid common words or phrases like 1, 2, 3, 4 or ABCD. You should also use different passwords for different accounts and services, and never share them with anyone. Use two-factor authentication or 2FA whenever possible. Two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA, adds an extra layer of security by requiring you to enter a code or confirmation from another device after entering your password. This way, even if someone steals your password, they won't be able to access your account without the second factor. Update your software and devices regularly. Software updates often contain security patches that fix vulnerabilities and bugs that hackers can exploit. You should enable automatic updates for your operating system, applications, browsers, and antivirus software. You should also update your devices, such as smartphones, tablets, laptops, and routers with the latest firmware. Psst. Hey you. Yes you. If you made it this far into the video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe. Avoid clicking on suspicious links or attachments. Phishing is a common cyber attack technique that involves sending emails or messages that look like they come from a legitimate source, but contain malicious links or attachments. These links or attachments can infect your device with malware or steal your personal information. You should always check the sender's address, the subject line, and the content of the message before clicking on anything. If you are not sure, don't click. Use a VPN when using public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi networks are often unsecured and can expose your online activity to hackers or snoops. A VPN, or virtual private network, encrypts your internet traffic and hides your IP address, making it harder for anyone to track or intercept your data. You should use a VPN whenever you connect to a public Wi-Fi network, such as at a coffee shop, a hotel, or an airport. Backup your data regularly. Data backup is the process of copying your important files and folders to another location, such as an external hard drive or a cloud service. Data backup can help you recover your data in case of a cyber attack, a device failure, or a natural disaster. You should back up your data regularly and keep multiple copies in different locations. If you accidentally deleted your files, I'll leave a link in the pinned comment and on the top right of your screen on how to recover them. These are some of the basic steps that you can take to protect yourself from cyber attacks. Of course, there's no such thing as 100% security, and hackers are always finding new ways to breach defenses. That's why you should always stay alert and informed about the latest cybersecurity trends and threats. If you enjoyed this video, then I'm sure that the video on screen right now will be very educational for you. That's it for today, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.